Welcome to my channel. 1. Power on the outdoor satellite. Plug it into a power outlet and wait for the LED to start blinking. 1. Power on the outdoor satellite. Plug it into a power outlet and wait for the LED to start blinking. 2. Place it near your main Orbi router. Keep the satellite close to the main unit during setup for a strong initial connection. 3. Open the Orbi app. Launch the official app on your phone and log in to your account. 4. Go to Add Device. Tap menu right pointing arrow Add Satellite to start the pairing process. 5. Select Outdoor Satellite. Choose the outdoor model from the list of available Orbi devices. 6. Follow on-screen instructions. The app will automatically detect the satellite and begin syncing. 7. Wait for solid blue light. A solid blue LED means the satellite is successfully connected in Orbi mode. 8. Move it to the outdoor location. Once paired, unplug it and place it where you need outdoor coverage. 9. Reconnect power outdoors. Plug it back in outside and wait for it to auto-sync again. 10. Run a speed test in the app. Use the app's Wi-Fi test to confirm strong outdoor performance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.